I been? Well, last video I was at Crystal Hill, the abandoned BLM campground, south of Quartzsite, about 15 miles. And I stayed there for 3 nights. And then on April 16th, I moved over and stayed 1 night at the Spiral Labyrinth BLM on Palm Canyon Road. This is the road that goes up to the canyon where the palms are, where that video I shot last November. My unsuccessful attempt at getting to the palms. Well, back on March 10th, I made a successful journey up to the palms, a good successful hike. I took the right turn this time, literally the right turn, and followed a very narrow canyon up, and that's what I really want to show you in this video, because I recorded a lot of very cool photographs and video, and I thought I'd share that with you. Right now, I am in Craigie Wash BLM near Lake Havasu, Arizona. It's been really blazing hot, but we're having a nice visit. I'm with Dr. John Leathers and Derek the cat, and we've been having a real nice time. But it's getting time to move on. I've been waiting for the weather to warm up. I'm going to head up towards Oatman, Arizona, and see that, kind of a tourist trap. And then over to Williams, stay on some BLM, and then try and get through Grand Canyon area early one morning when the light's really good. So we'll see if that works out. And then who knows? So you'll have to stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, enjoy the video and photographs of Palm Canyon and my successful hike. And so that's what this video is about. Enjoy.
And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on our way. 'Cause we're runners, yeah, we're runners, and so we go.
I think I'm going the right way this time. This is what it looks like on Carol's videos. So up this way, it's narrow. And last time we went to the left. This time we're going up this scrabble field here. So 3-4 months later, I make it in Palm Canyon, and My friend Carol is right. It is beautiful. It's very early on Sunday morning, the 10th of March, and there's not a soul here. It's completely alone. It's completely quiet. The wind is light, but when it rustles through the palms, it sounds like a river. It sounds like running water. It's pretty spectacular. Here we are.